What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to be doing things completely different. We're actually going to be doing things completely different with the whole channel. I know I haven't been doing any videos lately. I've been juggling on what I want to do with the channel. So what I came up with, my wife has been wanting nightstands. I actually built her a bench out in the front, and it actually came out pretty good. So I'm going to do things completely different on this video. I sure hope you all like it. You know, give me your feedback about it. Let me know what you think about it. So in today's video, we are actually building some of these. We're going to be building some nightstands for my wife. She's always been wanting some, and I thought, well, why not? Let's make some farmhouse style nightstands. They're actually very simple to do, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you all how to just make one. All right, so I went ahead and saved you guys the time. I went ahead and got everything already pre-cut. I will leave in the descriptions down below, I will leave exactly the cuts that you're going to need, exactly. And I'm also going to leave you guys a link down below where I got these plans from. And like I said, they're very simple to do, very simple to follow. It didn't take me too long to do it. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and build some nightstands. So, I just want to stop and show you all. So, for the sides right here, we did, you can see these right here, we did 3/4 inch pocket holes. And you do it on both sides, all 4 corners, on both pieces here. And then we are going to use 1¼ inch screws. We're going to install these legs. So, and I just wanted to show you, basically, you know, that you don't need all the fancy tools. I mean, I got a Black & Decker drill that I'm using on my pocket hole jig. Pocket hole jig is from Harbor Freight. So, I mean, I do have some pretty nice tools other than, you know, the Black & Decker, but I wanted to show you that this is really a beginner's project, so you can use any tools that you do have. It's and the basic tools. And the pocket hole jig is not that much at Harbor Freight. So let's finish this build here. went ahead and did is I did all the inside pocket holes, and then I did where we did with the nail gun. I went ahead and filled those all in. You don't have to. This is definitely just a preference. Me, personally, it's an eyesore because you're gonna be able to see it. So I went ahead and filled those in on both sides. I went ahead and did them. Again, it's just a preference of what you choose to do. For the shelves, now you don't have to go ahead and do all those pocket holes because they're gonna be on the bottom. You ain't gonna see them. But again, it's a preference of what you wanna do. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it. I'm just gonna do all the pocket holes. And like I said, gonna do all the nail holes in this one. All right. And then after this dries, we're gonna go ahead and get her sanded down, get her assembled, and then we're gonna start painting and staining. So stay tuned. So as you see, we got the frame completely done. Shelves are done. We're ready to paint. So we're going to be painting it with the interior paint and primer. This is an eggshell white. It's actually a really good paint. I love this color. It's going to give it that rugged look because I'm doing the farmhouse style. And then we're going to be doing the tops with the gel stain. And it's this is a really good, we're going to do it's called Kona. And if you can see that right there, this is what we're going to be doing the tops with. And I love this stuff. It's really nice. You just put it on there and with a foam brush or whatever you want to do it with. And then you leave it on for a few minutes, wipe it right off of there. Excellent. I love that gel stain. So without further ado, let's get right into this painting. See, we're all done. We got the base all painted. Love this color. Gives it that farmhouse style. And it goes on really easy and it dries really simple. So now we're going to go ahead, get the top stained, let everything dry up, and then we're going to get her all put back together. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get these shelves started on. We're going to go ahead and get these stained. Again, we're going to be using the gel stain. We're going to be using the Kona color. Like I said before, I really love this gel stain. It's really easy to apply. Give it a few minutes, wipe it down, and then again, it goes on your preference of how dark you want it. And it's, like I said, it's very simple to apply. So let's go ahead and get these stained. we got the stain on. We're gonna let it dry, and then once it's all done drying, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the polyurethane. We're gonna do the satin on it because I want to still be able to see the natural wood to it. I don't want to have a high gloss because, like I said before, we are going with that farmhouse style. So as soon as it's done drying, we'll go ahead and hit it with this, and just about got it all wrapped up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these started here. We're gonna go ahead and get them sprayed. We're gonna do a light first coat, and then we'll go ahead and get them all sanded down, and then we'll go ahead and apply another coat on there. So let's go ahead and let's get this started. We got them all sanded down. Now what we're going to do, I just like to take a damp cloth here and just wipe up all that dust and everything, and get them all nice and clean. And then we're going to go ahead and lay down another coat, and we'll be done. Tops are all finished. It came out really good, and everything's dried. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything assembled, and we'll wrap this project up. What y'all think about that? I thought it was pretty simple to do. I had to learn from a few mistakes. Doing the first one, definitely corrected them, made it better on the second one. This is really a great learner project right here, a beginner project. And it was actually really fun to do. The wife loves them, so hey, a happy wife is a happy life. Again, like I said before, if you guys got any feedback or anything that you see that I should do different, or if you want to see some more of these or more projects, hey, let me know. Wife's got a bunch of stuff that she wants built. I love doing it, so I'm going to be sticking around and doing some more of these. I sure hope, again, that you all like this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos. All right? So I'll see y'all in the next build.